Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's April the 29th, 2022. Yeah, Tesla stock is down about 22% ever since Elon made a stake in Twitter. 22%. Tesla's broken? That's a logical question that one should ask, especially as we've seen the market and Tesla do some erratic behavior recently. I want you all to begin to see that every price bar we see on a chart is people's behavior. It's what they think the value of these stocks are. And I'm going to talk about what I think the market in Tesla is going to do now, because you guys can already see that I was predicting that the price in Tesla was going to go down, and it did. So now we are in a different environment. And I'm going to show you why I think we're in a different environment in Tesla. So if you guys appreciate my videos, if today's your first time ever seeing my content, and at the end of the video, you guys appreciate how someone's actually here, dropping their ideas to where they think price is going to go way before the price gets there, go ahead and join me. Hit the like button, share the video, and also subscribe to the channel. Tap that bell notification as well, because check this out. I'm not one of those run-of-the-mill YouTubers out here. I'm not here to prop up these stocks. If the market is a sell, then guess what? It's a sell. If the market is a buy, then guess what? It's a buy. I'll tell you all that. I'm not biased on any one of these stocks. I'm not convicted. I don't believe. I simply come through to make money. That's it. I'm not getting married to these stocks, and neither should you. You know why? Because these stocks, it cannot marry you back. The market is literally created for you to grab and make as much money as possible. It's up to you. It's up to you. And the massive amount of people who come in and participate in any particular market, everyone is trying to do the same thing. So why are you trying to get convicted to these stocks? Why are you so convicted on what Elon Musk tweets and what is he purchasing? What is he selling? I could care less about what he's trying to do. We all have our own agenda. And the top agenda for everybody is to make money. So if the market is going to go down, then make money going down. If the market is anticipated to go up, then make the money going up. And don't become emotional. Check this out. This is how I know that people got emotional in Tesla. Okay. So on my last video, it was April the 17th, 2022, right? I was telling you all then that I was looking for Tesla to go down. Okay. So it did. I'm not surprised, because the market has already hinted to us that the market price was weak. And one reason was because of the market in Tesla is hitting a downtrend. We're in a downtrend right now into the market in Tesla. I don't care if anything positive comes out the market for Tesla. The price chart is the ultimate decider as to what price is going to do. So yeah, we're in a downtrend into the market in Tesla right now. That's one reason. And then the second reason I want to show people that people are acting erratic is because when Tesla came out on their earnings right here, it blew it out the water, right? And you saw tweets, you saw videos about how everything was excellent. Not Twitter, but Tesla is doing a fantastic job. They're actually making money. They made more money than what the analysts expected. Yeah, I get it. The market in Tesla from April the 20th to the high of the next day, the 21st, it went up 11%. Everyone will rah, cheers, hoorays. But in less than 2 days, the market in Tesla came down below it. What? $900? What's going on? People are here making money. That's it. People are out here actually making money. In less than a couple of days, you could have made tens of percents of profitability. So yeah, got it right. All right, 10.41% right there. If you was able to get out on the low yesterday, you could have got 16%. All right. So now, is Tesla broken? Well, it's not broken, but it's not in a bullish market right now. One reason you guys can already see is identified on the chart. We're in a downtrend. So I don't even care if Tesla was to elevate itself back up here to 1120. If we get rejected at 1120, if we could see the price go up 27.5% and we still get rejected on that downtrend line, we're still weak. So we could go from here to 1120 and take the bag. If I'm looking for the price in Tesla to go up, I'll take the bag. I'm not going to hold it for 4 years, 5 years, 10 years, because I already know what the majority of the market is doing. We're making lower highs, right? So now the problem is we've seen the market in Tesla trade below some very key areas that we need to see the market hold, right? This is the first one right there around 900. The second one is up here around like 950. So we got 800 and 950. Okay. We need to see the market hold those areas. We need to see the buyers. If the market is still buying Tesla, they need to trade price above 900. And then again, to get massively bullish, it needs to come up here above 950. It has to. If we don't see price do either of those two things, don't believe it. Don't believe the bullishness that people try to spew out, because the market is not reflecting that on price. Okay. Now we got 800, which the market looked like. We got $900 first, 950 second. Those are the restriction levels that I'm pinpointing. The markets look like it's going to try to break above 900 today. That'll be a start for the buyers. Now look at this. Everyone has access to the same information, right? This is another reason why Tesla stock could be broken. We are seeing it happen quite frequently, right? At how many times the price in Tesla is breaking this long-term trend. Look at all these price bars to where price traded below this massive trend that started back in March of 2020. It was being respected back then. The price in Tesla was respecting this massive bullish ascending line. March, May, June. It respected it here in May of 2021, June, July, August timeframes. And now you guys see some erratic behavior. The price is looking like it's dipping and breaking the trend a lot more often now. That means that people are getting a little bit nervous. That means that the market dynamics, the emotional sentiment of those who are bullish, they're not that bullish as what they once were back in 2020. This is what this price chart represents. It represents that the collective behavior of the Tesla holders, of the buyers, is waning. They're losing ground. This is what this price bar represents. That is why Tesla could be broken. We need to see the buyers reclaim price above this long-term trend, because if it doesn't do it relatively soon, we're going to continue to trend lower. Yes, I know you don't want to hear it, but it is what it is. We're going to trend lower. And as we look at this from a week perspective, okay, we're in a downtrend. The price is breaking the long-term trend right now. We are trading below this level now. Where do you think we're going to go? This is Tesla on the monthly time frame. Okay, so we got 8 hours and 29 minutes left. Look at this. Look at the month of March. It was fantastic, right? We got some weakness the 2 prior months, January and February, but then the buyers came back to life. They was able to lift Tesla's price up. In order for us to get confirmation that they're still controlling the market, the month of April, we needed to see the market continue to trend higher, but it didn't do it. Instead, it's coming right back down. So right now, I don't think the majority of the market is believing that Tesla is weak. They're seeing it as an opportunity to come in and buy it, right? And I would say on the next movement to the upside in Tesla, whether it's above 900 to 950, if we get rejected at 950, the buyers are going to give up. They're not going to come in and buy the stock, because more of that belief is being knocked out. As they continue to see the price get knocked down in Tesla on every instance that they're trying to buy it and lift up the price, and it always gets rejected, they're going to give up and leave. And then that's when the market price in Tesla really is going to fall. So I want to prepare you all for these things. Right now, we have to follow the sentiment of the market, which is Tesla is weak. Okay. But like I said earlier, it's not that weak. So I'm not trying to say that the price is going to collapse or that Tesla's going to plummet, but the environment, the sentiment is shifting from being a bullish stock to one of it looked like we're seeing some cracks now in the bullish behavior of those who want to buy Tesla. That is what we're seeing right now. And we can get that confirmation going forward that they're losing the buyers as long as the price in Tesla doesn't trade above this line here and definitely above this downtrend line. These are the controlling factors that would tell us whether or not the market is believing the bullishness or they're not. Right there. So as of right now, if I were to give a direction as to what I think the price in Tesla is going to do, I still think that it's going to go down. I still think so. Okay. So I'm going to do this. I'm going to bring it up to 975 because I see a lot of these price bars to where the market hugged that level. Okay. And I'm not going to be massively bearish though. I don't want you all to come up with that concept that I'm going to be massively bearish in Tesla, because I'm not. Because like I said, I still think that the market believes that these moves to the downside is opportunities coming to buy the stock cheaper. Okay. So again, the price targets that I have right now is already where the market has already come right here. The low of 821. That would be my first price target again, 821. Okay. So that's about what, 5.92%. I will take some profitability off the market right there in Tesla. Like I said, I'm not massively bearish into the market yet. My second one would be down here towards 800, which is 9.25. The third area would be, I really like that one, $800 for the market in Tesla to come in and grab. My third one, which I'm not necessarily looking at really coming down towards, would be, yeah, I'm not even going to do that. So my two price targets, the first one was 870, the other one was 800. And we're going to continue to play the weakness until we see the market in Tesla break 975 to the upside. Okay. We have to see the market break that to the upside in order for us to get rid of this price prediction. Okay. So I'm not massively bearish at all. I don't want you all to think that I'm coming off as that way, but the trend, the sentiment is definitely one of bearishness rather than one of bullishness. Okay. So I'm here. I give you two price targets. The first one was 820. Second one is around 800. The third one would be around 760. Yeah, I'll bring it down to 760 for Tesla. All right, so that's it. Hopefully I explained myself enough to you for you can actually just look at the price and price alone so that you can actually see what is the majority belief of the market participants in Tesla. Now it's your turn. Go ahead and hit me up and tell me, what do you think about Tesla? Where do you think the stock is going to go over the next couple of months? With a comment. Make sure you maintain a profitability. And as always, trade different.